Larry the lemur was full of energy. He loved playing tag with the parrots, swinging on vines, and chasing shiny beetles. But Larry had one teeny problem: he could never finish what he started. If he began building a stick fort, he'd drop it halfway to go climb a tree. If he started drawing in the dirt, he'd abandon it to chase a butterfly. His friends teased him, "Larry, you hop from thing to thing like a frog on hot sand." The Big Jungle Challenge. One sunny morning, the wise old tortoise, Mr. Tempo, gathered the animals. "Today," he announced, "we are having the laser leaf hunt. The one who finds the golden laser leaf will win the jungle crown of focus." Larry's eyes sparkled. "I'm going to win that crown." Mr. Tempo handed each animal a map. "Follow the path, find the clues, and they'll lead you to the golden leaf. But remember, don't get distracted." The first clue. Larry zipped along the trail and found the first clue tied to a tree: "Go past the river, turn at the big mango tree, and look under the stone shaped like a turtle." He was halfway to the mango tree when, flutter, flutter, a bright blue butterfly danced past him.
Oh,
"I've never seen one with spots like that." Larry chased it, laughing. But when the butterfly vanished, he realized he'd lost his place. By the time he found the mango tree again, most of the other animals were far ahead. The tempting shortcut. Determined, Larry found the second clue: "From here, take the winding path until you hear the waterfall." But just then, he spotted a shortcut through a field of tall flowers. "I bet I can get there faster," he thought. Halfway through, he got tangled in vines and had to wiggle free. When he finally reached the waterfall, he saw the other animals moving toward the final clue. Larry groaned. "I'm so behind." Focusing at last. He took a deep breath. Okay. No more chasing butterflies. No more shortcuts. Just one step at a time. Larry read the last clue carefully, followed the path exactly, and kept his eyes on the goal. Step by step, clue by clue, he finally reached a sunlit clearing. And there, glowing on a smooth rock, was the golden laser leaf. Larry held it high, grinning from ear to ear. The lesson. Mr. Tempo placed the jungle crown of focus on Larry's head. Today you learned that focus means keeping your eyes on your goal, even when something shiny tries to pull you away. Larry beamed. And you know what? It feels even better than chasing butterflies. Well, almost. Lesson. Focus means giving all your attention to one thing until you finish it. It's the surest way to reach your goal. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel.
bye.